Hey, what's up guys? Steve Mansker with Total Access Reviews here. We've got some brand new products here I'm excited to share with you today. These were sent over to us by MakerSTL. They're a magnet company that specializes in the barbecue niche. The first set that we've got here is an animal temperature set. They show the internal cooking temperatures for beef. There is one for pork. There's one for chicken, as well as for fish. This set comes in silver or black. The black looks fantastic on stainless steel, really pops nicely. The silver looks great on most grills. These are heat resistant up to 185 degrees, so you never have to worry about these warping. You can throw them on the top of your hopper here or on the side. That way you've got all your internal cooking temperatures right at your fingertips. These also have extremely strong magnets that are pressed and glued into the back. You can tell they have a nice snap to them, meaning they're very strong. Okay, the next set of magnets I wanted to share with you guys. This set is called a Pellet Hopper magnet set. This is a generic set of 7. Now what makes this magnet set extremely useful is the fact that you can store these on the inside of your pellet lid. Now this is a generic set of 7. It's got cherry, apple, mesquite, hickory, oak, competition blend, and alder. You can pick up nearly any set from this company. They offer a set compatible with Lumberjack, Traeger, Camp Chef, all the different major brands. Let's just say you're cooking with cherry tonight. You can throw this right in the front of your hopper. You can hear that it's got a strong snap. So it's got these extremely strong magnets that are hand pressed and glued to the back of these. And again, these are heat resistant up to 185 degrees, so you never have to worry about these warping. And with that on the front there, you'll never forget what type of pellet you're cooking with, and you can close your lid. These are all available for the next time that you use a different pellet type. Okay, thanks for watching today guys, I appreciate it. If you're looking to support a small company out of the US, check out MakerSTL. Again, they specialize in magnets in the barbecue niche. I'm going to go ahead and post their link down in the description. They've got these magnets available along with a number of different other sets as well. If you have any comments or questions, please post those down below as well. Thanks for watching today guys, and have a great day.